We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fictional character, as well as how to say more interesting names from French literature and from Les Misérables. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you go about pronouncing it? For reference, in French, in France, this name is said as Javert. Javert, yes, silent T. At the end, as is usual in French, it'd be fine in English to say it as Javert. Inspector, Javert. From French, inspecteur, Javert. And now, you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more character names by Victor Hugo, Les Misérables, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.